The 2025 Bentley Motorhome, where unparalleled luxury meets rugged capability. Designed for those who demand the best in both style and performance, this motorhome takes adventure to an entirely new level. Under the hood, the 2025 Bentley Motorhome boasts a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine. With an astounding 600 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque, it's built to conquer any terrain with ease. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and air suspension, the ride is as smooth as it is powerful. Perfect for everything from winding mountain roads to open highways. A 300-liter fuel tank ensures extended range, while Bentley's precision engineering guarantees efficiency and reliability. This isn't just a motorhome, it's your private luxury suite on wheels. The sleek, aerodynamic design is unmistakably Bentley, with signature LED matrix headlights and a bold chrome grille that turns heads wherever it goes. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The interior is nothing short of opulent. Hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished walnut veneers, and plush carpeting create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The living area features a spacious lounge with reclining seats, a 4K smart TV, and a state-of-the-art sound system. The fully equipped kitchenette offers a premium induction cooktop, a built-in wine cooler, and a high-capacity refrigerator, ensuring you're prepared for every adventure. Staying connected is effortless, thanks to the built-in satellite internet and touchscreen smart control system. Roof-mounted solar panels and a high-capacity battery pack provide energy independence, while the onboard generator offers backup power for extended off-grid adventures. Starting at $750,000, the 2025 Bentley Motorhome offers unmatched luxury, durability, and performance. For those seeking the ultimate road trip experience, fully customized versions with exclusive features can reach up to $1 million, a true investment in luxury travel. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Combining Bentley's legacy of craftsmanship with modern innovation, it's designed for those who refuse to compromise. Are you ready to take your next journey in style,